video, somebody in the comments said I could do what's in my backpack bag. Oh, wait, now that gives me a good idea to do what's in my Valentine's bag. Oh, it's not Valentine's Day. Oh, we want to do it. Are we ready? Now my mom gets something, and okay. Now my mom gets what is in my hand. What I'm going to pull out.
A Valentine's card. I have no idea.
Nope, it's a Valentine's pencil and card.
Cool.
Everybody, here's my. This one says to Isaiah from Regan. And he gave me a Spider-Man pencil. This first one, okay, now it's in my hand. Yes.
A Valentine's card.
Yes.
Oh, show them this one.
I got two. Here's the fifth one. You're trying to open this. It says to Isaiah from Hunter. And this one, it says Isaiah, heart, and what that says?
From Josie.
From Josie. Now, guess what's in here?
A candy.
Nope.
A Valentine's card.
No, you only got one guess.
Oh, only one guess. Oh, show the camera. That was a cute
Everybody,
one.
here's this. And I never noticed this. This is a sticker.
Who's that Valentine from?
Let me see. It says to Isaiah.
Yeah.
And Anno. From
Evangeline.
Evangeline. And now I have sticky in my hand. Guess.
Another Valentine's card.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
What's these?
Do you know what that card says, Isaiah?
I know. To Isaiah from Taylor.
And it says, the card itself says, let me see here, Valentine, you are dynamite. And it's got some crayons. That's pretty cool.
Guess what's in my hand?
I saw it.
Oh,
Something that you write with.
Yes.
A Valentine's pencil.
I got Valentine's pencil here, everybody. I don't know who it's from. You got two Valentine pencils. This is from Regan. Can you put the Spider-Man one? Everybody, give this in my hand.
A Valentine's card.
Yes and no.
Ooh,
For
and
Max, and look at the back.
a chocolate.
Everybody, at the back of Max's, there's this, and then there's this.
Cool.
Yeah, and this.
So Isaiah, do you know which channel tagged you in their What's in My Backpack challenge? Do you remember?
No.
It was Sagan and Loki.
Oh.
Cool.
Okay.
Thank you for tagging us in this video.
Everybody, guess who's in? Mommy, guess what's in?
A Valentine's card.
Yes. It says to Isaiah from Morgan.
Awesome. And it was a Superman one, wasn't it?
Now I have something in my hand.
Another Valentine's card.
Yes.
I don't know. Oh, a Spider-Man one. Cool.
It says to Isaiah from
Emilia.
Amelia. Everybody, this one says Isaiah. To Isaiah from Aki.
And what's on the front of that one?
This. I didn't want you to guess that one. Now guess what's in my hand? Mommy, everybody.
Another Valentine's card.
Yes.
I think you received. Oh wow, that one's neat.
Yeah.
You're perfect. Show them how it works.
Everybody,
So I
see?
don't know if they'll pick up. There we go. So when you
It
move it, it's a
changes.
hologram.
And it says to Isaiah from.
Jaden.
Now guess what's in my hand?
Another Valentine's card. What type of Valentine's card?
doggy
Have a
family.
very nice Valentine. It's got a picture of a bunch of dogs on it.
Okay. To Isaiah from
Lorena.
Nina. Now give us in my hand.
Another Valentine's card.
Okay. To Isaiah from Kai and look.
It's
This
another
is-
hologram.
Oh, SpongeBob, I think. It's the SpongeBob one. I want the hologram. We'll look at
We're
that.
not familiar with SpongeBob.
Yeah. I like SpongeBob. Okay, let's cook out this card. And it says, this one says to Isaiah from Olive. Now give us in my hand.
Another Valentine's card.
Yes, when they're
Oh,
hologram.
another hologram. And what's on that one?
Another chocolate. And a chocolate on the back. And a troll.
And a troll tattoo.
This is from George. This says, everybody, to Isaiah from George. Let me know you would guess.
A candy.
Nope. Sticker.
Oh, stickers.
Heart
Cool.
sticker. Now guess. Like candy?
A Valentine's card.
Sticker.
Another sticker.
I'm going to die.
Another Valentine's card.
Sticker.
Oh,
Stickers.
that is a full Valentine's bag, Isaiah.
What's in my hand?
Stickers.
No
Nope.
chocolate and this. And
your
chocolate. To Isaiah. And the chocolate on the back.
From Sierra.
Yeah.
There's still more. That's an endless. It's like a Mary Poppins bag.
Guess what's in here?
Sticker.
Nope. High candy.
Oh,
Okay.
candy.
These are going to cake one.
Is that a cinnamon heart
These
candy?
cake you wanted to cinnamon heart candy. You're yummy, do you want
Oh,
one?
no, thank you. Thanks for
I
sharing.
like them. I like these. Now this cake out. This one. Tattoo. Yep.
Awesome.
Now you guess.
Another tattoo.
Stickers.
Stickers. Cool.
What fun.
A Valentine's card.
Heart candy.
Another candy.
Heart candy.
Cool. A Valentine's card. An eraser. Cool. This really is the bottomless bag. Let's see what's next to Valentine's.
I see it.
Candy.
The last thing.
Oh, last thing.
I don't know. There's still more after this. What?
Another candy.
Candy.
Oh, wow. Oh, let's not spill it all over the floor. More candy. Cool.
And there's
So
nothing
instead-
else, everybody.
What's in your backpack challenge? You did what's in my Valentine's bag challenge.
Yeah, and that was a good thing I do. What's in my backpack challenge? I'm going to actually do that, everybody.
So we'll do that in another video, but we will
Yeah.
link Sagan and Loki's channel so everybody else can see your friend.
Yeah.
And who do you want to tag? Who do you want to see? What is in their backpack? Which channel?
One of these.
You like Sagan and Loki's. Is Loki a cute cat?
I know.
Which one?
I got this name in the new thing.
Oh, you want me to say it? So how about there's a channel called Kids Wild Ride, and they make a bunch of Toy Story videos and a bunch of other fun videos, and one of their kids in their videos just started kindergarten this year. So that would be super cool to see what's in Liam's backpack from Kids Wild Ride. So tag, you are up next.
Everybody, do a first time subscribe, and I'm going to do the backpack video today. Bye!